What's going on, guys? Welcome to trade recap for today. Today is February 23rd, 2026. Today I'm going to be going over the one trade that I took that was a loss, and I'm just going to be reviewing the day and what happened. So yeah, let's get into it. So based off today, I was very bearish bias. What are we doing here? What's going on? So we were currently rejecting this 4-hour gap after sweeping this high. As you can see, we're trading lower. For my weekly objectives, I wanted to see this low get taken first before we end up rallying higher as a open low high close. So yeah, I was very bearish off the day. We were rejecting this 4-hour gap, heading lower, and then respecting this as well, going into the London session. We traded into this 1-hour gap, respected it, started trading lower. I wanted to see us possibly manipulate this high or just continue lower towards these sell side targets here. And then, as you can see, off open, we ripped up, took London highs here. There was a 30-second short that you could have taken here. The reason I didn't take this was because we had an unfilled NWAG above us here. So I just felt like my stop was not in a protected area in order for me to take this trade. But if you did take this trade, it would have ended up playing out. If you took this second entry, we had an SMT at these highs, and that would have ended up playing out. From this point, the only way I would have taken a short is if we left the NWAG, which we did, but then got this 5-minute inverse here, which obviously you can see never ended up happening. We ended up running down, taking out these data lows we had and the sell side, and then tapping into this 1-hour gap. From here, I was still definitely bearish. If we did end up ripping up higher and reversing this 5, I would have taken longs, because that would have been confirmation that we're not respecting bearish order flow. But I wanted to see us keep respecting bearish order flow towards these sell side targets. There was also this 5-minute pullback here that we had, and you could have taken this trade. I was actually going to take this trade here, this short setup. It's a 1-minute inversion here, and I would have just targeted this internal low here with a break even at this internal low. But I didn't end up taking this trade because our rejection off this level wasn't really that well, and then on the lower time frame, the 30-second, since we were just delivering so slowly, we were just generating low resistance liquidity that I thought 10 a.m. was going to end up taking out and then possibly getting a short from there, but that didn't end up happening. We ended up ripping back down, and then I saw us get another 5-minute pullback here, which is where I took my entry. It's a little bit crowded in here, but we have a 5-minute gap that we traded up into, and then very aggressively rejected out of it. And then we also had an internal SMT inside of this 5-minute gap, so I was very happy with this since we were displacing towards this sell side target. I did think this was going to play out. Unfortunately, I got stopped out of the trade for a pretty heavy risk. It's about 500, which is 1%, which sucks, but I do feel like this was a pretty good setup. I'd probably give it like an A rating setup. Just because we didn't really take out any internal structure, it was a little bit rough. As you can see, the bias was right, and we did end up hitting my target. I just didn't get a good entry, and then there was not a re-entry here, unfortunately, for me to take, so I wasn't able to take this move down. But yeah, rough start to the week. This is a fresh account as well, so rough start to the account, but hopefully we can bounce back from this and keep moving forward. Obviously, I'm going to be up to date with my journaling and my back testing and pushing out videos to you guys. I do apologize if you guys are, into my channel. I've been up for like 33 hours. I'm in New England, and we got a bunch of snow, so I've been doing snow removal and making some money, so I've been exhausted, so I just now got the time to sit down and make this for you guys. So yeah, that's February 23rd. I hope you guys enjoyed the little trade recap. If you guys took any trades, hit me up in the comment section. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today, guys. Have a good one.